Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today we are going to discuss current affairs of May 25, 2021. Top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, PSC, etc. First question. Who has been awarded with the Templeton Prize 2021 recently? Answer. Jane Goodall. The naturalist Jane Goodall has been announced as the 2021 winner of the Templeton Prize in recognition of her life's work on animal intelligence and humanity. Current affairs about awards. Pakistan skipper Babar Azam on Monday won ICC Men's Player of the Month award for their terrific performance during the month of April. Second point. In the women's category, Australia wicketkeeper batsman Alisa Healy was declared the ICC Women's Player of the Month of April 2021. Third point, the Japanese government recently awarded the Order of Rising Sun to a Bangalore-based Japanese teacher, Shyamala Ganesh. Fourth point, Dr. Kriti K. Karanth, Chief Conservation Scientist at Bangalore-based Center for Wildlife Studies, has been chosen as the first Indian and Asian woman for 2021 Wild Innovator Award. 2020 Vaclav Havel Prize was awarded to Saudi women's rights activist Loujain Al Hathol. Second question. Which space agency is planning to search water in moon by 2023? Answer. NASA. The United States National Aeronautic and Space Administration is planning to search for water and other resources on the moon in 2023. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration is an independent agency of US federal government responsible for the civilian space program as well as aeronautic and space research. NASA was established in 1958, succeeding the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics. Its headquarters is at Washington, D.C. It was formed on 29 July 1958. President is Bill Nelson. Current affairs of NASA. The James Webb Telescope 21 feet 4 inch 6.5 meter mirror was commanded to fully expand and lock itself into plane, NASA said. Second point, NASA has locked another extraterrestrial first on its latest mission to Mars, converting carbon dioxide from Martian atmosphere into pure breathable oxygen, the US Space Agency said on Wednesday. Third question. When is World Thyroid Day celebrated? Answer. 25 May. The World Thyroid Day is observed globally on 25 May every year. The main purpose of WTD is to aware the importance of thyroid and the prevention and treatment of thyroid diseases. Fourth question. Who has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of Indian Bank? Answer. Shanti Lal Jain. The State Board Bureau on May 24 recommended Shanti Lal Jain as the new Managing Director and Executive Officer of Chennai headquartered Indian Bank. Current affairs about appointments. Italy has for the first time appointed a woman career diplomat, Elisabetta Belloni, to head country's secret service, Prime Minister Mario Draghi announced Wednesday. Second point, the Border Roads Organization BRO India on April 28, 2021 announced the Vaisali S. Hives will become the first woman officer to be appointed as officer commanding in Border Roads Organization India. Third point, Wipro has appointed Tulsi Naidu Chief Executive Officer, Asia Pacific Zurich Insurance Group as an independent director on the board for 5 years with effect from July 1st. Fourth point, retired bureaucrat Neelam Savane assumed the office of Andhra Pradesh State Election Commission recently? Fifth question. When is Commonwealth Day celebrated every year? Answer: May 24. Yeah, another Commonwealth Day is also celebrated on May 24. Also, as the Empire Day, the Commonwealth Day commemorates the formation of British Empire in India and other colonies of Britain. More points. Also known as the Empire Day, it commemorates the formation of British Empire in India and other colonies of Britain. It was not until the death of Queen Victoria, who passed away on January 22, 1901, that Empire Day was first celebrated. Queen Victoria. Queen Victoria of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Ireland from 20 June 1837 until her death in 1901. Known as Victorian era, her reign of 63 years and 7 months was longer than any previous British monarch. Born on May 24, 1819 in London and died on 1901 January 22. Sixth question. Who has won 10 awards in Billboard Music Award 2021? Answer: The Weeknd. His original name is Abel McCackon. Secondly, BTS won the award for Top Song Sales Artist for the first time. The band was nominated against Justin Bieber, Megan Thee Stallion, The Weeknd, and Morgan Wallen. Seventh question. Who has developed DIPCOVAN COVID-19 antibody detection kit? Answer: DRDO. The Defense Research and Development Organization has developed a COVID-19 antibody detection kit that offers result in just 75 minutes, the Defense Ministry said on Friday. Eighth question. What is the theme of Commonwealth Day 2021? Answer: Delivering a common future, connecting, innovating, transforming. The theme for 2021 Commonwealth Heads of Government Meeting CHOGM for Commonwealth Day and for the work of the Commonwealth more generally is Delivering a Commonwealth Future, Connecting, Innovating, Transforming. Ninth question. Name the veteran Gandhian from Madurai who died due to COVID-19. Answer: K.M. Natarajan. Veteran Gandhian and Secretary of Gandhi Memorial Museum in Madurai, K.M. Natarajan, who was 89, succumbed due to COVID-19 at Government Rajaji Hospital on Monday night. 10th question. Name the Atomic Energy Commission chairman who passed away recently. Answer: Sri Kumar Banerjee. Sri Kumar Banerjee, who headed the nuclear establishment when India signed the nuclear deal with US and later legislated the liability bill, passed away after recovering from the disease. Father of nuclear physics in the world is Ernest Rutherford, and father of nuclear science in India is Homi J. Bhabha. 11th question. When is National Missing Children's Day observed? Answer: May 25. National Missing Children's Day has been commemorated in United States on 25 May since 1983, when it was proclaimed first by President Ronald Reagan. 12th question. Who will become the new MD of Chennai Petroleum Corporation? Answer: Arvind Kumar. The Public Enterprises Selection Board PESB has picked Arvind Kumar as Managing Director of Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited, a unit of Indian Oil Corporation Limited. 13th question. Who has been elected as the President of Oxford University Students' Union? Answer: Anvi Bhutani. Anvi Bhutani, a Punjabi whose family is from Delhi, has been elected the president of Oxford University Students' Union in a by-election? More points. The University of Oxford is a collegiate research university in Oxford, England. There is an evidence of teaching as early 1096, making it the oldest university in English speaking world and the world's second oldest university in the continuous operation. Oxford University of Students. The Oxford University Students' Union is the official students' union of the University of Oxford. It is better known in Oxford under branding Oxford SU or by its previous name OUSU. 14th question. Which country has planned to launch global pandemic radar? Answer: UK. The United Kingdom will develop an advanced international pathogen surveillance network to identify COVID-19 variants and emerging diseases. This is Boris Johnson, President of Britain. 15th question. What is the original name, the father of hybrid rice who died recently? Answer: Yuan Longping. Chinese scientist Yuan Longping, renowned for developing a hybrid rice strain that vastly improved the grain output in the country, passed away at the age of 91. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.